You don't want me to come with you?
Whoops. You got a feather on you.
Oh. I'm molting.
Yeah. Who knew?
Yeah.
So? Feels like it's going to be another hot day.
It's humid, hey?
It's not even 10 in the morning yet, and it's already 27 degrees Celsius. Oh my God. That is hot for this time in the morning.
Yeah, it's going to be in the 30s, I'm sure.
Wow.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah. So we got a few on the list for today.
Yep.
All right, well, we won't dilly-dally around. Let's just get to it.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Let's go.
Okay. So, this first one is a fundraiser. So you never know. It's all donation. I think it's for cat rescue, this one. Maybe they'll donate a cat to us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think this is it.
Yeah. Good. What's that little bench? Grab that if it's not too pricey. Hey?
The 2 garage sales here.
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Good morning.
Now, we're both garages, so, and down the 2 garages plus the area in between and the back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so, just so you know. Morning.
Morning. Mickey glasses.
Oh yeah, only 3 out of the 4.
Yeah. Oh, and they've been in a dishwasher.
We have, yeah. Glass Care Bear.
Yeah. That's Bedtime Bear.
Oh
Isn't
yeah,
it?
it is. Yeah, I think you're right.
I really liked that cartoon. Yeah, I don't. Is this like the only thing without a price on it? How much is your stool?
Betty, what would you say for the stool here? For the what? This stool here, the vanity. It's kind of a nice, it would go with a nice old...
If you refinished it.
It would be beautiful, wouldn't it? Yeah.
It is nice. It's kind of. Would you go for 5?
It's all up to her. It's her money. Yeah, oh yeah, you bet.
That's what I like to hear. Is it?
It's a little loose.
Yeah, it is. Do you refinish furniture at all, or can you?
Yeah, sometimes I do. Yeah.
Oh, give me 4.
Okay.
$4.
You got a deal.
You'd cover it with some nice material. That wouldn't be.
Yeah.
hard to cover.
No, it wouldn't.
In fact, you know what? I wouldn't wonder if it hasn't been recovered.
I wonder if. Yeah, I don't think that's the original,
No.
but wait, the original might be
When I
underneath.
was a kid, we had one like this, but it
Yeah, it
was
must be for a vanity
one of
or
the
for a
tapestry.
sewing machine.
Initials,
Oh,
you know.
nice.
It was nice, yeah, but that was when I was a small child. At least 20 years
At
ago.
least.
At least, yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say
Yeah.
15.
Yeah.
15.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Throw this in the truck and then.
Okay, let's check out that other sale.
Okay.
Right beside.
Yeah. And then in between, she said too.
There's
Yeah.
stuff in there too.
Yeah, there's stuff in
Oh, look
here.
at that.
Yeah. It's treasures everywhere. Oh. It's vintage.
Yeah. Look at the kitty.
Oh. Hi, sweetie. Oh.
Probably be a couple or 3 more at the window here. Oh, 1 more.
Oh, yeah. So sweet. Nice and warm in the
outside
sun.
play area.
They
Yeah.
can get in and out the window.
Oh.
From the basement, they can come and
Oh,
go as
really?
they
Oh,
please.
yeah. Right.
Oh, I bet
right
they love
there.
that.
They love it.
So they
Yes.
can just come in and out
Come in and out
at their
and then
own
I
will.
close the window
At night,
and,
yeah.
and I'm not home. And
Yeah.
that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Well, that's perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect. It is very perfect.
Watch that guy. He just is a jokester.
They have a little summer house in there. They can go up the ramp and get in the shade here.
Oh,
You can see a little bed in there.
Neat.
Aw.
Yeah, they're pretty happy.
Yeah, I saw
old
that
cat
too.
house.
Yeah. They probably liked that one too. It's cute, but it's just plastic with a picture underneath, so. Yeah, that's,
Bad.
yeah,
It's
that's
fresh smelling.
Yeah.
What is it?
Sunset haiku.
Interesting.
Yep.
Yeah, you want to
Really?
have time
Is
to
this your
enjoy.
perfume?
Please just take it. Take it. I don't know where it came from.
Thank you.
No, we gotta give
Yeah,
you
we-
like 50 cents or something.
No. You're just fun people. Nice to have you.
Sure, you bet.
Thank you.
I know. That's
When I
because I'm
use
just
it.
really, really old and crazy.
We'll help you get to your retirement faster with that 50 cents.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You as well.
Thanks.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Have a good day. What a sweetie. They're just so
Well, that's nice.
lovely.
They gave you that perfume for free.
Yeah. She was cute. Really, really cute. I hope they have a good sale.
Yeah. Okay, you ready to go?
Yep. She's so cute. You can turn around probably because you won't want to go that way.
Yeah, good call. Okay,
All right.
we are here. Let's
Yep.
go check it out.
Okay.
Bar of soap that looks like Lego. That's funny.
This is funny.
Good morning.
Good morning. You wrote a book.
Oh, that is you.
Yes, it is me.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It's my life and
Veterinarian.
fiction. Yeah, I'm a veterinarian. There is where I got married. There I'm just examining a small pony. This is at the college. Just doing a cesarean here. And this is one of our lower deck things. And there the Russians gave an order to have our house destroyed.
Oh my
And
goodness.
There's a man standing up there and this demolishing the family farm. Note the farm worker roof. Yeah, this is our house in Bremen. These are all stories of my life.
Wow. That's you had a pretty interesting life.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Thanks for showing me your book.
I bet that's an interesting book.
Yeah, it might be.
Can you imagine? Like, what a life. Like, they just decide that you're going to demolish your house.
I know.
Like, I just can't even. What showed? I can't believe That happens.
That is ridiculous.
Yeah, that is insane. Oh, I guess we didn't have to turn around. Sorry.
So do I have to turn around again?
Yeah.
Oh. Should I turn down here?
Sure. Is this a crescent or what is
Oh,
it?
yeah.
Just turn around.
God, I've been doing a lot of turning around here.
What's this right here? Oh. Oh yeah, right. You're right. Sorry. I'm looking at the wrong one.
Did you say divorce dust?
Yeah, that's what they call renovations. So some people don't.
Do well after that.
No.
Don't renovate well together?
No. We're hanging a light fixture well together.
What?
What?
I wouldn't know what that's like.
Somebody's bossy, thinks they know more than they do.
Yeah, but you've become much better now.
Oh.